It's not the strong that survive. It's those who are willing to adapt. That's the biggest skill that I found I needed. For homelessness, for building a business, for my own growth, for life. All of those things. I could never do that, is what people always say to me when I tell them about the things I've accomplished. Gotten out of homelessness, started my business, lost 250 pounds, quit drugs, alcohol, sex before marriage, all of those things. Cigarettes, quit cigarettes. They tell me they could never do it. But they've never been in my position. They've never tried. But once you get into a position where you feel like you have no other choice and you realize that you have to do it, then you realize how strong you really are. And as the saying goes, what doesn't kill you makes you stronger. It makes you more confident. When a man's why is strong enough, he can bear anyhow. My why is you, showing you that you are infinite in value and you could do anything you want to do. So stop saying, I can never do that, and adapt. Because it's not the strong that survive. It's those that are willing to adapt.